Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. If the leaves of your tomato plants are curling, becoming small and thick, and the plant has stopped growing and flowers are falling off, then this video is extremely important for you. Today we are going to answer one very common and confusing question. Can leaf curl disease be cured in tomato plants? And in this video you'll also learn what exactly leaf curl disease is, what works and what does not, and how you can protect your tomato crop in the future. So please watch this video till the very end. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Leaf curl disease in tomato is caused by a virus known as tomato leaf curl virus. How do you know if your plant has this disease? There can be many reasons for the leaves to curl, such as lack of water or excess water, lack of nutrients, lack of adequate sunlight, too high or low temperature, etc. So let's discuss what its main symptoms are. Leaves curl upward or downwards. Leaves become small, thick and leathery. Plant growth becomes stunted. Flowers and fruit drop prematurely. Now let's come to the main question. Can leaf curl disease be cured? The honest and scientific answer is no. Let us understand the science behind it. And as the name suggests, it is not caused by any fungus or bacteria. It is a viral disease caused by virus. And once this virus gets inside the plant, it remains there for the entire life of the plant. Once a tomato plant is infected with the leaf curl virus, there is no medicine or spray that can completely cure it. Whether it is an organic product, chemical spray, Ayurvedic solution, or so-called guaranteed cures sold online, none of them can kill a plant virus. Many products in the market are sold under the name leaf curl cure, but they do not cure the virus. They only give false hope and waste your money. So how does this virus spread from one plant to another? The main culprit is whitefly. Whiteflies suck sap from infected plants, carry the virus in their body and transmit it to healthy tomato plants. That's why controlling whiteflies is more important than spraying random medicines. If the plant is severely infected, like leaves are heavily curled or plant growth is almost stopped, just uproot and destroy the plant. Do not even add it to the compost. If the infection is at an early stage, like mild curling, plant is still growing, you may keep the plant, but strict whitefly control is mandatory. To control whitefly, you can mix 3 to 5 milliliter of neem oil in 1 liter of water and spray it on your plants every 5 to 7 days. Be sure to spray the undersides of the leaves. You can also use yellow sticky traps. Place one trap for every 2 to 3 plants. Since leaf curl disease cannot be cured, prevention is the most powerful medicine. Preventive measures you can take, like you can grow leaf curl tolerant tomato varieties, avoid excess nitrogen fertilizer, remove weeds regularly, grow marigold or basil near tomato plant, keep plant healthy and stress free. So friends, let's summarize. Leaf curl disease cannot be cured, but its spread can be controlled. and future crops can be protected with the right practices. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your fellow gardeners, and comment below, are you growing tomatoes in pots or in grounds? I'll make the next video based on your answer. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.